Hello, this is Todd Kilgore with Piatt, Sotheby's International Realty, and I'm back on the scooter today to show you another unit at First Side Condominiums. This loft-style condo building in the city of Pittsburgh is quite rare. It features polished concrete floors, exposed brick, beautiful beams, and it has these wonderful windows to shed all this natural light into the unit. The open living concept is centered around this modern kitchen. It features an expansive island with quartz countertops, sustainable bamboo cabinetry, and a painted glass backsplash. Hidden behind this metal door is your private entrance with an elevator. It takes you right into your individual unit. In the back of the unit, we have this beautiful, spacious bedroom. It features built-in cabinetry, wonderful natural light, and access to the rooftop deck. This common area rooftop deck is great for entertaining small groups, relaxing with a nice book. This First Avenue location is just absolutely fantastic. It's very close to the new Target. The T's right behind me. You can hop on that and get to the North Shore for a Steeler game, Pirate game. It really can't be beat. Thank you for visiting First Side Condominiums. If you'd like to set up an appointment, please call Todd Kilgore at Piatt Sotheby's International Realty.